In my personal opinion, MacBooks are the most overpriced thing you can buy, including their accessories. How much does it cost for a Type C cable? $20. And how much does it cost if you lose your charging brick? $70 for a replacement from the Apple Store. We at 3411 Heaven have a solution though for you. What is this answer? No, it's not a lock, it's a key. The Type C power adapter by AUKEY, which today we'll be taking a look at. Here we go. The AUKEY power adapter, again, as I said, is USB 3.0 Type C and delivers power at a rate of 60 watts. Now, the average MacBook charger that you get in the packaging when you buy a MacBook, along with that load of debt that you'll be carrying for the rest of your life, is also a 60-watt charger. So, no loss there. But what you may notice is things are a little bit smaller. Compared to a regular Apple charger, well, not the normal one, this thing is tiny, and I haven't even taken it out of the packaging yet. Speaking of taking things out of the packaging, here we go. Knife. Unsheath. And we see that they plastic wrapped a box. Innovative? Maybe. Cut her open. Give it the old seesaw. Bada bing, bada boom. Give it the old crack-a-lack. Pull off the plastic, and it's open. To reveal, 60 watts of power delivery at a size of 2.5 by 2.14 by 1.1 inches. Compared to this honker of a thing, does it work? We'll see. Now, we've been blessed by one of our editors to receive a donor MacBook. And while this is his pride and joy and his baby, he's giving it to us to try a charger that we haven't tested. Here we go. We pull off the plastic wrap. Very easy. We pop open. Look at that. I like that. Seems solid too. Set that down. We grab the MacBook. Feel like I should be wearing white gloves for this. We open it to reveal the 3411 Heaven sticker, merch store below. And then we grab the extremely expensive 6-foot Type C USB cable from Apple. This charger does not include the Type C cable, but you can use any one to charge your MacBook, your iPhone 11, not your car. Plug it in, like so. Power strip comes into frame. Take this, plug it in. Could you imagine if I would have missed? Bend the pin sideways. LED on top shows that power is coming. We find the port. They only put 2 of them on these things, so it's really not that hard to find. Do I have to use a specific one? No, either one. To extend this a little bit more, this retails for the low price of $32.99. Well, I said, the other Apple charger, if you lose that one, try and replace it from Apple. $69.99, baby, 70 bucks. Too much. Here we go, let's see if it works. If it breaks your MacBook though, don't buy it. Bada bing, bada boom, we got power, baby! And no sparks. Nope. Yep, still works. Well, that's all I really have to say about a charger. It delivers power and will charge up your laptop at the rate of 60 watts. Not the fastest, not the slowest. Great replacement at the low price of $32.99. If you like this video, don't forget to drop a like. Also, go check out that link in the description if you want to buy this product. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on any future videos. That's all we have for today, folks. As always, bird out.